A really important part of selling on Etsy is having the right branding and the right look for your shop. And part of that is making sure your shop banner, icon, and profile picture look on point. I've done a previous video on how to create your banner. I'll link to that here. But today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to make a beautiful shop icon in less than 5 minutes for free using Canva. Let's go. Okay, the first thing you're going to do, and this is going to make life so much easier, is click on the link in the description below this video that will take you to this page, which is a page in Canva. Of course, you'll need to log in, which is a page in Canva that gives you a whole bunch of Etsy shop icon templates of the right size, which is 500 by 500 pixels. And you can use these as a starting point. Have a browse through them, look for one that looks beautifully branded in line with your shop, and then you can click through and edit it and make it your own. So let's have a look here. We've got some beautiful simple ones. We've got some more detailed ones. Obviously, if they've got photos in them, you need to change it. I'm a big fan of the simple sort of textural ones. So let's have a look at this one. And then the beautiful thing is when you click through, it gives you lots of similar examples. So you might find one that you like better. How about this one here with the little nature bit on it, or this one here with the little ring? Let's have a look at this one here. Okay, let's customize this template. Let's go in there and have a look at that. So all you need to do is click on customize the template, and then you can go along and you can change the elements in here. You could, move this around. You could replace it with a different element. So if we go here to elements, graphics, see all, magic recommendations based on what you already have there. And look, we have a whole bunch of different ones. So maybe, you like that one, but maybe this one's more in line with your business. Maybe you like the gold. Maybe that's the colors of your business and you want to go with that. And maybe we want to make this bigger so it's easier to see. So we can adjust that and we can do this. Move that out of the way for now. We can make this bigger. Now, of course, you need it to be visible, so you don't want it to interrupt. There we go. So that's centered now. And you could even pull this out and put it, outside the circle if you wanted to. And you can change the font. You're like, well, I like that, but it's not exactly what I like. So I can play around and maybe, just try something else. Now, the nice thing about using a template like this is if you are just getting started and you have no idea what you want your branding to look like, you can use this as a starting point and an example that you can then bounce off of. Okay, if you don't like that, you're like, nah, okay, I'm going to go back and I'm going to look around and I'm going to find something else. Okay, that's quite nice. I kind of like this circle thing, so let's customize that one. And then, you can go, okay, well, that background is the wrong color. Let's go with a different color altogether. Okay, so lots of things that you can do here based on something that's pre-created for you. And even look at that, you've got rounded text. How cool is that? And then simply, once you have created what you like the look of, okay, you're like, okay, I like that. Let's just move that text slightly together and let's make it a bit bigger. Okay, we like that. Cool. Then all you need to do is download it. So over here, click on the share button, click on download, and you won't be able to do transparent background if you don't have Pro, which I do, but then you just click on download and you want to go with PNG because that's going to be best for an illustration. And when you're going to download that, and then we're going to go upload it to your shop, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that right now. So here I am on my shop. Now I'm logged in so I can actually edit my shop from the front page. You can also do this from your dashboard and you go into the shop manager, but this is how I generally edit my shop. So we're going to click on edit shop and we're going to get this picture here. So this is the same thing. If you're on your dashboard, it's going to show you this and you just click on this little pencil here. And then you can see here, this is where you're going to change your shop icon. So you click on that and then all you need to do is choose a file, upload it, and save it. I'm not going to do it because obviously I'm not changing mine, but that is as simple as that. Same goes for your banner and your picture here, all very easy to edit and change from here. And you will have uploaded a beautiful icon for your shop. Now, you want to go ahead and make sure that your banner and your shop photo reflect the same branding as your shop icon. Leave your Etsy shop name in the comments below so we can go and check it out. And of course, if you need help with your banner as well, I said at the beginning, I have a video on that. I will link to that right here, actually right here, so that you can go do that one next and make an equally beautiful shop banner. If you found this one useful, please do give me a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos on how to have a thriving and profitable handmade business. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.